The center of the fan will be at this point here. We call this point 0, negative 200. Okay, as you can see, this is 0, negative 200. Now, before drawing this strand here, I will need to put my pen down here, and then I will reorient my turtle 90 degrees to the right, and then I will draw this line here. So the line from this point up to down here is 8 units pixels, and then I reorient the turtle 90 degrees to the left, and then draw one side which is 150 pixels. So from this point here up to this point here, this is 150 pixels. Since I'm only drawing the strand here, that this rectangle here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn left 90 degrees. That means I'm gonna turn towards like that, and then I'm gonna draw this line here with 16 pixels in length. So this is 16. Okay, and then at this point here, I will reorient the turtle 90 degrees to the left, like this one here, and then draw the line 150 degrees, sorry, 150 pixels in length from this point all the way to this point. That is 150 degrees. Sorry, 150 pixels in length. Now, while I am here, I'm gonna go down here to the original point. Okay, original point, and that's gonna be 8 units. As you can see, this length here, which is 8, and this length here, which is 8, is the same as this length here from this point to this point, which is 16. Now, before I draw this blade of the pan, since I am now here, okay, I have to go first from this point to this point here, and then I will draw this blade of the pan. Um, so I need to turn left 90 degrees first. Okay, I'm right here. And then I'm gonna draw a line which is 150 pixels in length from this point all the way to this point here. Okay. And then at this point here, I'm gonna start drawing this blade here. I want this blade here to be colored red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the fill color procedure here. The color first is red. Okay, so it's gonna be red for the first blade, and then I'm gonna continue with the fill procedure here. Begin underscore fill, and then I'm gonna turn right. Okay, I'm gonna turn right here, 90 degrees. I'm gonna draw this line here, which is 40 pixels in length. So this is 40. And then from this point to this point here, after turning the turtle 90 degrees to the left, it's gonna be 275 pixels in length. And then this side here, after turning the turtle 90 degrees to the left, it's gonna be 80 pixels in length. And then at this point here, I'm gonna turn the turtle to the left again, 90 degrees, and then it's gonna be 90. Okay, it's gonna be 275 pixels again. Okay, right now we have this one here, 275. Now before this rectangle here can be filled with the color, we have to enclose this rectangle here or blade of the pan. That means we have to turn the turtle left 90 degrees. Okay, this one here. And then we have to make the turtle draw 40 units forward. So this is 40 units from this point to this point. This is 40 units. And then at this point in time, since the rectangle is now enclosed, that's the end of the fill color procedure. This becomes red. And then we now go to the next blade of the pan. Um, we have to make sure that the turtle goes back here, the zero, negative, zero, negative, something. And then we draw this one here. But before we can draw the second blade, we make sure that the orientation orientation of the turtle is 100.59. Why 100.59? Because at the last drawing here, the orientation of the turtle is 90 degrees down here or 90 degrees to the right here. So what we need to do to make this go back to the original orientation is we need this we need to turn this um, we need to turn the turtle left 90 degrees. Okay. And then we need to turn also furthermore so that the slant is gonna be like this. Oh no, no, this is 10.59. Now where did I get 10.59? I just divided 180 degrees 180 degrees by no by 17. Okay, because there are 17 more blades after this one here. Now this is how it looks like. I mean the figure.